Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Elin game is crashing, freezing or lagging on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Elin game. Then just click on the gear icon of your game. You will see the property, just click on the properties. Now here you will see the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game. So just turn off this option. Once you turn it off, then launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the updates. And guys, make sure that your game is updated. Then go to the install file, then click on the verify, integrate your game file. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on the game launcher. You will see the property, just click on that, then go to the compatibility tab. Now guys, here you will see the three options. Just uncheck the box, also uncheck this box, then just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check still not working, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, just try this solution, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, so just go to the Windows search and just type here the update and Windows update appear on the top. So simply open up your Windows update and make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. Guys, you also need to make sure that your graphic drivers are also updated. If your Windows and graphic drivers are not updated, then simply update it. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, try all of the solution and see which work for you. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye.